everyone, I am Ayush Anshuman Singh of the grade 9th A, the student of Mary Mata Public School. Today I am going to tell about the 5-year plans of Planning Commission to the Niti Aayog. Let's trace the India journey from the era of 5-year plans to the establishment of Niti Aayog, highlighting the evolutions of our nation's economic planning and policies framework. Following independence in 1947, India embarked on the path of economic development guided by a comprehensive 5-year plans. These plans, modeled after the Soviet Union's approach, aimed to achieve rapid industrialization, economic growth, and social justice, led by visionaries like Jawaharlal Nehru and his economic advisor P.C. Mahalanobis. These plans led to the groundworks for the key sectors such as heavy industries, agriculture, and infrastructure. Over the decades, the 5-year plans contribute significantly to India's progress, fostering the growth in agriculture, expanding industrial base, and promoting social welfare through the initiatives such as green revolutions and community development programs. This led to a need for more dynamic and flexible to approach economic planning and policies formulation. This led to establishment of Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, on January 1, 2015. Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission and represented shift in governance. It functioned as a think tank that provides strategic and technical advice to the central and state government. Unlike the centralized planning approach of the Planning Commission, Niti Aayog promotes cooperative federalism, encouraging the state to actively participate in the policies formulation and decision-making processes. In conclusion, the transition from 5-year plans to the Niti Aayog exemplify India's adaptability and commitment to evolving governance structure in line with global trend. As we continue with the transformative journey, let us harness the power of innovation, collaborations, and inclusivity to build a prosperous and resilient India for our future generation. Thank you.